So now we are going to be talking about the roots of quadratic functions. So kanina, or sa video na sinend ko, yung graphing, diba? Pag ang ating values ay pag ganyan, ibig sabihin yung ax squared, yung a ay negative. Pag pataas, ang a ay positive. Or a less than 0, a is greater than 0. Okay. Doon na tayo sa roots ng isang quadratic function. So, tandaan natin na pag rational, siya ay positive number. It's a positive number and perfect square siya. Pag sinasabi nating perfect square, ibig sabihin may na i-extract natin yung square root niya. Ibig sabihin, kunyari, 1, 4, 9, okay? 16. Yun. Irrational, positive number, pero hindi siya perfect square. Not perfect square. One real root. Ibig sabihin, equal lang siya sa 0. Yun lang. At imaginary, negative siya. Okay? Gamitin nating formula ay b squared minus 4ac. Ayan ang formula natin. Okay? So, first, hanap tayo ng equation. Kunyari ay f of x is equal to x squared minus 6x plus 8. So, hanapin lang natin yung value ng a, b, at c. A is 1, b is negative 6, at c is 8. Saan natin nakuha? A, ax squared. B, ito, may x. At yung c yung constant. Okay? Pagkatapos niyan, ay, isa-substitute natin yung mga values nila dito. So, negative 6 squared minus 4 times 1 times 8. So, magiging 36 minus 4 times 8. 4 times 8, ilan? Ito ay magiging 32. So, 36 minus 32 ay magiging 4. So, di ba kanina sinabi ko na ang rational, pag rational ang root, ibig sabihin yung sagot niya ay perfect square. 4 is a perfect square. Kasi pwede natin extract yan. Pag extract natin yan, magiging ganyan siya. Okay? So, itong equation na to ay rational. Pag hanapin natin sa graph yung kung rational ba siya or irrational. Okay, pag rational siya, ang line dapat, it will intersect with the graph twice. Yun lang. Yun lang yung kailangan nating tandaan. Okay, dapat may intersection siya or it will touch the graph twice. Pwede rin ganito. May instances na pwedeng pag ganyan. Yan, rational ba yan? Yes, rational yan kasi ito infinite. Pag yan, in-indicate niya, pababa siya. Yan. See? Okay. Kung equation natin ay f of x is equal to x squared minus 6 plus 9. So, a is 1, b is negative 6, c is 9. So, distribute natin siya sa value ng b squared minus 4ac, magiging 6 squared is 4 times 8 times 9. 36 minus 4 times 9, magiging 36 din. 36 minus 36 ay 0. Okay? So, pag 0, kanina sinabi ko, diba? It's a 1 real root. If we are going to represent it in a graph, yung 1 real root, magiging answer niya ay, or magiging mukha niya ay magiging ganyan. Isang beses niya lang matatouch yung graph. Ganyan. Isang beses lang dapat. Okay? If f of x is equal to x squared minus 6x plus 10. So a will be 1, b will be negative 6, c will be 10. Okay? So ang gagawin lang natin dyan ay distribute natin sa value ng b squared minus 4ac. So, magiging 6 squared minus 4, 10. Okay? Magiging 36 minus 4 times 10. Magiging 40. Negative 40. So, 36 minus negative 40 ay magiging negative 4. So, sinasabi ko kanina, pag negative ang value ay, ito ay isang imaginary. Imaginary siya. Presented in a graph, yung imaginary, ay madali lang yan. Hindi niya lang i-meet. It will not meet the x-axis. Pwede niyang i-meet yung y, pero never yung x. Okay? Never si x. Yun lang.